Hello students, I am Subhashish. In this session, we will learn about types of algebraic methods and discuss about substitution method of pair of linear equations in two variables in detail. Let us see the learning outcomes of this session. Learning objectives. After completion of this session, you will be able to understand the methodology of substitution method, to solve the example problems of pair of linear equations in two variables by substitution method, to solve the real life problems related to substitution method. Keywords: linear equations, substitution, algebraic solutions, variables, equations. Suppose the solution is in the form of root 2 comma 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 comma root 5 comma root 7 and so on. The graphical method is not convenient when the coordinates of the points of the solutions are non-integers. There are several algebraic methods. There are substitution method and elimination method. Let us discuss about substitution method in this session. Before solving some examples related to substitution method, we will see the procedure in which we do substitution. Substitution method. Step 1. We will find the value of one variable, suppose x, from one equation or y in another equation or vice versa, whichever is convenient. Step 2. Substitute this value of y in another equation and reduce it to an equation in one variable, that is in terms of x, then we can solve it. Sometimes you can get statements with no variable. If the statement is true, you can conclude that the pair of linear equations has infinitely many solutions. If the statement is false, then the pair of linear equations is inconsistent. Step 3. Substitute the value of x or y obtained in step 2 in the equation used in step 1 to get the value of other variable. Let us look into more examples to learn more about substitution method. Example: solve the given pair of linear equations in substitution method. 5x minus y is equal to 12 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Solution: consider given pair of equations as 5x minus y is equal to 12 as equation 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 as equation 2. Step 1. Consider equation 1. We get 5x minus y is equal to 12. Write the entire equation in terms of y. 5x minus 12 is equal to y. So, therefore, y is equal to 5x minus 12 and consider it as equation 3. Step 2. Substitute the value of equation 3 in equation 2. We get 2x minus 3 into 5x minus 12 is equal to 4. Two x minus 5 multiplied by 3 gives rise to 15x, minus into minus it is plus, and 2 multiplied by 3, that is 36, is equal to 4. Write down all x terms to one side and all constants to another side. By solving, we get minus 13x is equal to minus 32. Both sides minus will get cancelled. Therefore, x equal to 32 by 13. Step 3. Now substitute this value of x in equation 3. We get y is equal to 5x minus 12. By substituting x value, y is equal to 5 into 32 by 13 minus 12. By using LCM, we get 160 minus 156 by 13. By solving, we get 4 by 13. So, y equal to 4 by 13. Therefore, the solution is 32 by 13, comma 4 by 13. Let us see one more example. Example: solve the given pair of linear equations in substitution method. 4x plus 8y is equal to 96, x minus y is equal to 3. Solution: given pair of equations are 4x plus 8y is equal to 96 as equation 1 and x minus y is equal to 3 as equation 2. Step 1. Consider equation 2. We get x minus y is equal to 3. Write equations in terms of x, that is x is equal to y plus 3. Step 2. Substitute the value of equation 3 in equation 1. We get 4 into y plus 3 plus 8y is equal to 96. By multiplying 4 and y, we get 4y. Multiplying 3 and 4, we get 12 plus 8y is equal to 96. Now write down the y terms to one side and the constants to another side. By solving, we get 12y is equal to 84. So, y equal to 84 by 12. By cancelling, we get y equal to 7. Step 3. Substitute this value of y in equation 3. We get x equal to y plus 3. By substituting value of y, that is 7, in equation 3, we get x equal to 7 plus 3, that is x equal to 10. Therefore, the solution is 10, 7. Let us see some real life problems where we use the substitution method when pair of linear equations in two variables are formed. Example: 3 years ago, Amar's sister age is 4 times than Amar's age. Then 5 years from now, Amar's sister age is 6 times the age of Amar 5 years ago. What is the age of Amar? Solution. Let the age of Amar now be x and the age of Amar's sister be y. 3 years ago, Amar's sister age is 4 times than Amar age. Then the equation obtained are y minus 3 is equal to 4 into x minus 3. By solving, we get 4x minus y is equal to 9. Five years from now, Amar's sister age is 6 times as old as Amar. We get y plus 5 is equal to 6 into x minus 5. Consider it as equation 2. By solving, we get 6x minus y is equal to 35. We got pair of equations. Those are 4x minus y is equal to 9 and 6x minus y is equal to 35. Step 1. Consider equation 3. We get 4x minus y is equal to 9. Write down the entire equation in terms of y, that is y equal to 4x minus 9. Step 2. Substitute the value of equation 5 in equation 4. We get 6x minus y is equal to 35. Now substitute y value in place of y. We get 6x minus 4x plus 9 is equal to 35. By solving, we get x equal to 13. Step 3. Substitute this value of x in equation 5. We get y equal to 4x minus 9. Substitute x value, that is 13, in equation. We get 4 into 13 minus 9, that is equal to 52 minus 9. So y equal to 43. Therefore, the solutions are 13, 43. That means the age of Amar is 13, the age of Amar's sister is 43. Verification. Let us understand that the solution x equal to 13, y equal to 43. If we substitute the solutions in the equation 4, that is 6x minus y is equal to 35. By substituting x and y values, we get 6 into 13 minus 43. By solving, we get that is equal to 35. So the left hand side equation is equal to right hand side equation. Similarly, if we substitute the solutions in equation 3, we get 4x minus y is equal to 9. By substituting x and y values, we get 4 into 13 minus 43. By solving, we get that is equal to 9. So the left hand side equation is equal to right hand side equation. Points to remember. There are many scenarios which can be mathematically represented by two equations that are not linearly initial. But we can change them so that they are reduced to a pair of linear equations. Substitution method is an algebraic method. We have substituted the value of one variable by expressing it in terms of the other variable to solve the pair of linear equations. That is why the method is known as the substitution method. Thanks for watching.